Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. How's everyone doing today? Hopefully well. I have super been slacking, but there are good reasons. I have something super exciting to share with you guys, but I will be doing that tomorrow in a video, not today. So today we are gonna do a nice little Marshall's haul. We haven't done one of those for a while, and you know they're my fave. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, I had something all filmed yesterday and I like stopped halfway through filming. I couldn't do it, and then I sat down to film something again today and I like I just couldn't do it. I don't know what's going on. I think because I have so much going on, and I just got really major news like while I was sitting down, and it's just like my head is not here. So I was like, this is the perfect day to do a Marshall's haul. So that is what we are going to do. I'm actually filming this, running to Marshall's, filming, and then I will be getting this out later. So I hope you guys enjoy it. You know how much I love my Marshall's hauls. I'm so excited to see what there is because I've seen so many awesome posts lately. So I'll do a quick little thingy at the end. We'll chit chat about what we saw, and yeah, that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay. Guys, they have so much stuff. So much new stuff. I'm just trying to look around real quick. Okay. We have a melted latex, $5.99. Ooh, that's leaking. We have a ton of razors. That's actually awesome. Wow. Look at these, $6.99. They never used to have this much. I'm surprised. $3.99? What? That's awesome. These are cheap, and these are razors that I would use. They have a bunch of mascara, just drugstore pretty much. Yeah. The Aurora Glow Kit, $24.99. They still have all the NYX glitter. They have a makeup eraser. That's cool. $7.99. Huh, I've always wanted to try one of those. Oh, they have a bunch of them. Just kind of junky eyeshadow. Clinique, $5.99. Mascara. A Becca foundation, $12.99. Smashbox, a little eyeshadow palette, $12.99. Why is it so loud in here, the music? It's gonna freaking, on the video, it's gonna tell me I'm using music and not let it post. I already know. I'm not gonna keep picking that up. Cover Effects contour kit, that's cool. $12.99. We have a MAC look in a box, $24.99. That's just a little sign. A Stila foundation, $7.99. A Metal Crush eyeshadow, $6.99. What is this? That's a Bare Minerals, but that's from a package. It must have fallen out. A bunch of NYX. They always have these. $4.79. We have a MAC. $12.99. What is this? Mascara. It looks like it's supposed to be mascara. I mean, that's at least what it says. I don't know. Huh. You can't see it. Lancome. A little palette. $24.99. An Anastasia contour kit. $18.99. Smashbox liquid lipstick, $7.99. A Pixie crayon, $4.99. Lorac Lippy, $3.99. Smashbox, that doesn't have the outer packaging. You know they always have a bunch of Anastasia. Oh, Anastasia stick foundations, $9.99. That's awesome. CoverGirl BB cream, $2.99. Lorac Glam Glow. These are like pretty much like pick through, you know, like all of this stuff. Organic Original Lip Balm, $4.99. Melted Latex, $3.99. Lorac, $3.99. Peter Thomas Roth Stem Cell, $14.99. Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme. How much is this? $39.99. They have all kinds of Clinique Turnaround Revitalizing Treatment Oil, $19.99. Super Defense Daily Defense Moisturizer. I can't see the price. They covered it up, and I'm not gonna pull on that. Pore Refining Solutions, $20.99. City Block Purifying Charcoal Mask, 7-Day Scrub Cream, $16.99. They just have all kinds of good stuff right now. Origin Zero Oil Deep Pore Cleanser, $17.99. They have a bunch of the Yes To products, which I always like. I don't know what that is. Let's keep looking. Is this Paracone? Yeah, $19.99. Skin Perfecting Serum. This is so loud. I'm so annoyed. The Boscia Luminizing Pink Mask, $12.99. Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Eye Gel Cream, $9.99. The Strivectin they always have. More random. I mean, they have so much nice stuff, honestly. They always do. Some Shiseido hiding back there. Deep Cleansing Foam Cream, $14.99. More Clinique makeup remover. All kinds of sponges and brushes. They always have awesome stuff back here. They really do. Real Techniques, $2.99. I have that sponge. I love it. Oh my gosh, they have these e.l.f. Redness Relief Express Mask, $2.99. That was with their summer workout stuff. I remember that. They have more of the MAC look in a box, so that's what it looks like if it wasn't like picked open, I guess. That's what it would look like. I want to try this so bad. This egg mousse pack. This is my favorite deodorant. My friend turned me on to it. Look, a Dr. Brandt. Retinol Hydra Cream, $16. Living Proof, $5.99. $4.99. More of the Stila foundations. Bare Mineral Bare Skin foundation, $9.99. The Too Faced White Chocolate Chip palette, $14.99. Makeup Revolution Triple Baked Highlighter, $2.99. We have Ellen Tracy Liquid Illuminators, $5.99. A Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation, which I keep saying I'm gonna pick this up, $9.99. Kat Von D Locket Brightening Powder, $7.99. A bunch of Kat Von D eyeshadows for $6.99. We've got Subculture still for $24.99. A Stila lip color, $5.99. More of the stick foundations. More Subcultures. Stila Shape and Shade Custom Contour Brush, $7.99. The Kat Von D Locket powders. We have the Little Mini Shade Light eye palettes. $9.99. We have the Makeup Revolution. Those are $5.99. NARS, $19.99. Brushes. Oh, they have all kinds of brushes. Smashbox, $7.99 for the lips. More melted latex. We have the Smoke and Mirrors for $9.99. Oh, we have both of the eye ones. That's cool. All kinds of brushes. That's awesome. Shoot. More foundation. Cover Effects brushes. That's cool. I've never seen that. A little Kat Von D brush, $5.99. Bare Minerals, $5.99. The Body Shot, $5.99. That's really cool. These little brushes, wow. Okay, so what did you guys think? Personally, look, I'm in a better mood. Like, I don't know why. I was just being so weird. Earlier, and I was being so normal, I should say. And now I'm being so weird, and I just felt like I'm back. I don't know. But anyway, I think overall they've really stepped their game up. Marshall's, every time I'm there, I'm not disappointed anymore in their makeup section. There was a couple times I went and filmed, if you go back a while, and it was just like, but the past month, 2 months maybe since I've been going in, it's just awesome every time. Every shipment seems to be amazing. I mean, it is coming towards winter, so it's only going to get better. I'm telling you, we have to keep checking every couple weeks, because I know now that Christmas is rolling around, it's going to be really good. I know it. Ooh. Anyway, so yeah, let me know what you guys think of the haul, or let me know if there's anything exciting that you have gotten from Marshall's lately. Drop a comment down below or a picture on Insta. I love to be tagged in stuff. I love to see Marshall's finds. That's like my favorite thing ever. So yeah, let me know. I am picking the giveaway winner tonight, and then figuring out the next giveaway. It might be stuff I already have, because I'm short on cash. I will tell you why tomorrow. Can't be spending money on giveaways like crazy. We'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, so stay tuned for that. So head over to the Insta. It's a new giveaway up. Check it out. Enter. Check out my makeup post. That's where I post all my makeup pictures. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Always posting about makeup and beauty and life and whatnot, relatable stuff. So yeah, I love you guys.